segment is sponsored by Columbus Bar Association. High schoolers texting photos of a half-dressed drunken classmate, jealous teens ganging up on the new girl on Facebook. Now, are these just samples of the age-old adolescent drama playing out on a new stage? Or are they examples of a light-speed escalation of bullying? Here with some answers is attorney Brian Garvine from the law firm of the same name. Welcome, Brian.
Thank you.
So talking about a very important topic, teen bullying, what exactly is teen bullying?
Well, Ohio law does have a definition, and as you can imagine, it is very broad.
Yeah.
It's essentially, to be honest with you, it goes with pure logic. Any kind of intimidation or harassment would pretty much fall into that between students.
And how does cyberbullying differentiate from just regular bullying?
Well, it really doesn't.
Okay.
It's still bullying. It's just the forum is different, and it's really just over a computer or a cell phone or something like that. Any kind of technological medium, but it's still bullying at its core. It's just a different medium. And I think the other part too that makes it different is that you can have a larger audience, obviously, and you can encourage and have that pile-on mentality a little bit more than the traditional kind of one-on-one or a couple-on-one.
Absolutely. Now, harassment between minors is distinguished from harassment between adults, right?
Well, it is, particularly in the school setting, because since 2007, all Ohio public schools have been required to have anti-bullying policies in place. So in the student setting, it definitely is different. And now, since 2012, Ohio has addressed the cyberbullying issue with the Jessica Logan Act.
And so what advice do you have for parents to keep their kids on the right side of the law when it comes to bullying and cyberbullying?
Don't do it.
Yeah. Number one, don't
right,
do it.
Yeah. Don't do it. But I think probably to break it down a little bit, to have to monitor what your kids are doing, and I think to talk to them about. I think it's easy in the cyberbullying environment to have that pile-on mentality, and I think that they just need to be cautious of what they're saying and how they're saying it.
So, obviously telling parents to, teach their kids not to bully. What are the signs that parents can see to know if their child is the one being bullied? Well,
nobody knows a child better than the parent, and I think that I assume that you can tell from your child if depending on their demeanor, maybe things they say, maybe things they do. Certainly asking them how school is going, see if they are bringing up maybe the same person that's bothering them or people that's bothering them. Maybe look at their social media, things like that. I mean, really logical type of things.
Is there a reason to hire an attorney if their child is being bullied?
Possibly, but typically not. Schools are receptive to it. Schools have to have policies and procedures in place. If parents feel like they're not getting anywhere with the school, they can follow up with the school superintendent, the school board. There's resources on the Ohio Department of Education website. There's a lot of resources out there, and schools typically take it very seriously. So you can get a lawyer involved, but typically you don't need to.
Good advice from Brian Garvine. Thank you so much for being here.
Appreciate it. Thanks
Good to
for having
know
me.
as we go back to school this fall.